7, 8, 9, 10. Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to whereinpampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our whereinpampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Pepper Juan for sending us 5 of their products for us to try. Actually, if you check out their website, they are selling other products such as, some pepper seeds, some gourmet products, as well as mga iba pang produkto that are related to teas, guys. If you know this, these are hot sauces in different varieties. Let me introduce them to you one by one. So this is their Siling Demonyo. So I believe this is a locally sourced ingredient product. This is also Siling Demonyo barbecue sauce. So meron tayong barbecue sauce dyan. To actually assist me in introducing to you their products, nag-order ako ng pork barbecue sa misis ko, just for us to really enjoy this or try. Next is, this is the yellow habanero hot sauce. Wow, interesting, no? So ingredients ng product na to ay yellow habanero pepper, garlic and onion, mango. You have pineapple, salt, lime juice, vinegar, and sugar. Okay, next is the Carolina Reaper. If you Google or search about Carolina Reaper, I think this is one of the top 10 chilies in the world. If I'm not mistaken, if it's first or second, yata. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. But again, I am pretty sure this is included sa top 10 hottest chili in the world. So next is the ghost pepper. Ito naman, guys, again, correct me if I'm wrong, this is the first yata in the world, yung hotness index niya. But then again, I am pretty sure this is included sa top 10 hottest chili pepper in the world. Okay, so now buksan natin lahat ng ating mga products. Let me try first this one, Siling Demonyo na barbecue sauce. Okay, so let's shake it. Shake it. Okay, this is my first. Okay, just para mag-gauge natin equally. Pagtataktak tayo ng around 7 to 10 drops ng hot sauce natin, and then we're gonna gauge it 1 to 10. So since umpisa na tayo dito, for me, this Siling Demonyo, again, I think I can gauge it like siguro 5 or 6. Ganun yung ano natin. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oof. Taste it. Alright. So kanina, guys, if this is rated, hotness rated is around 6, I think this is 5. So this is a little bit calmer. Alright, so next, guys, is this yellow habanero hot sauce. So tataktak lang na tayo ng around 10. Ooh, this is medyo liquid, no? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ang consistency nito is medyo mas liquid yung dating compared to the other two. And then ang color niya is yellow. Wow! So again, actually I was surprised, no? This is a little bit fruity dahil nga may mga ingredients siya na fruit based, like yung mango, pineapple, we have lime juice, no? So medyo sour to sweet yung taste niya. But then again, yung hotness or rating niya is I think 5. I think medyo comparable siya dito. So this one naman is the Carolina Reaper. It has honey, garlic, carrots, olive oil, and salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. I gotta tell you, guys. Yeah, it has that, hot sauce taste or flavor. Pero hindi siya yung parang, compared to this one, it's a little bit fruity. But the hotness is around, siguro para sa akin, it's in between 7 and 8. Kung napapansin nyo, guys, medyo nag-iba yung boses ko dito dahil really, it's now, parang creeping in. It's now sipping into my mouth and my tongue. Okay, the last is ghost pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one, as soon as it hits your tongue, like 1 second lang, you're gonna experience it. You're gonna notice it. So final word for this one, I think yung hotness niya is between 8 to 9. Between that rating. This is the hottest for me. Although every sauce or battle has a different experience and taste. It's creeping in. But anyway guys, again, if you like, the products you saw in this video and other products that are available dun sa website nila, make sure to check them out. We're gonna be providing a link below for you to use and get a 10% discount. Just use the whereinpampanga code kapag mag-check out kayo. By using that link, you're letting Pepperswan.th know that you are coming from whereinpampanga vlog. So again guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa fanpage namin or sa YouTube channel namin, please do subscribe so that you get notified sa mga videos na pinoproduce namin on a daily basis. So guys, thanks so much for watching whereinpampanga. Until our next video, until our next feature from home. Until then, please stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Bye.